Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria and welcome to another video. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today I have a second tutorial video from my last haul from BeeBeeCraft. I will put all the links to everything in the description box below. And as per usual Crafteria fashion, today we are going to recycle a Christmas card and then we'll make a regular Christmas card. And I just wanted to let you know that BeeBeeCraft is an awesome website. They sell all kinds of crafting supplies, jewelry making supplies, scrapbook supplies, all kinds of great things. And they right now have free shipping on $25 or more. And I also have this coupon code Tiggeria, Tiggeria 15, and that gives you $5 off of your $40 order, and it is good till May 1st of next year of 2023. But I will put links to everything in the description box below. Please use my links when you go there. That way they know that I sent you. I'm in a cooperation with them. Their YouTube program, they send me some items that I get to choose from their website, and then in return, I make a few videos. If you have a crafty YouTube channel, check them out and apply to join their YouTube channel. They are wonderful to work with. I really do enjoy them. Let me recap on what I have from this order. I won't be using it all today. I did use some of it in the last video, the last BeeBeeCraft video, so check that out. We have these beautiful gold backed charms. They're great for jewelry making, necklaces, tassels, all kinds of stuff. I used them on a card, so check that out. I recycled some Christmas cards and used one of them as an embellishment. And then there are these Christmas cabochons that I received, and I also used these on a card. They have all sorts of shapes. And then we have these two spools of star trim. We have gold and silver. I will be using some of this today. I also used it in the last video. Really pretty, and it's a fabric feeling, but it looks like metal. Super lightweight and very easy to work with. And here's the gold. Gorgeous. And then we have some metal border dies, which I thought would be great for recycling Christmas cards, just to add a little something to the card. We have the bells, the holly, and this decorative border. And today I'm using the holly die. And then there are these iron-on patches. These are so much fun, and I will be using these today. And these are the ones that came in the package. The ones that I'm using today I have already set aside. This bell one would be really good with this bell border. Just a thought. I think that would make a good shaker card. So that is the selection. Besides, like I said, I set aside the ones that I'm going to use today. And these are quite large, as you can see on my hand. For example, this one is about 3.5 inches wide. So they are a pretty good size. And this one says Festival of Trees, and I know a lot of towns do something like that, and that would be great to use on a scrapbook page if you do have pictures from your local Festival of Trees. We went to one in Gallipoli or Gallipolis, however you want to say it, Ohio. They had a really nice Festival of Trees in their park. And each tree at Christmas time would be decorated, and it would have a memorial or dedicated to someone. It was really, really cool. So the first card I'm going to do is a recycled Christmas card. I received this card front in the mail, and so I thought I would put it on a yellow card base. This is just a 5x7 card base because I think it really makes the colors pop. And then I also found this adorable snowman, and I thought he matched really good. He just looks like he's part of the family. So I thought that would be really cool, but I needed something over here. And when I went to put the patches away, this one was left out on my desk, and that is green, and that goes perfectly. So with those two patches, I'm going to go ahead and put this card together, and then I will be using a few pieces cut off of this star trim for the bottom, just to add something to that corner. So let's go ahead and assemble this. And I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back of this card base, or I should say card front. This is just the front of a Christmas card. Somebody had sent it to me and already cut it off, cut the back off, so we don't have the back of it. Normally you see me disassemble the whole card, but in this case I was only given the front, but that's all right. The fronts work just fine. That's the most important part. And I'm just going to go ahead and line it up, kind of center it on there as best I can. And then I think I'll put him on here, kind of like that, over to the left as far as I can, so he's not poking the other guy in the eye. I have some glue dots that I thought I would use on the back of this to adhere it down real easy. I'll put one at the bottom and one at the top. I'm not going to put foam dots or anything on the back since he already has some dimension and I don't want him sticking up too much. I'll probably put him right about there. I love the way he looks with those. I am so happy about this. And then I have this guy, and I will put one foam dot right in the center. Not foam dot, I meant glue dot. Sometimes I notice that I make mistakes when I edit the video, and then you usually see me put a title across that I really know what I'm talking about. I just didn't say it right. And then we have this, and I have these little mini glue dots here. It's hard to see on camera, but you can see little mini ones, and I thought I would stick one on the back of each of these. Okay, I put them on the back, and I took the backing off, the clear backing, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this down in the corner just to add something to the bottom there. So there we go. That card is done, and it looks really cool. I love the snowman matching those guys. I'm glad I thought to put those together. That worked well. And I'm glad this guy ended up being on my table when I was done, because that worked out perfectly. Now for my next card, it's going to be a little more of a traditional card. It's not a recycled Christmas card. This was one of the patches. This beautiful wreath. And yes, that is glittery sequins on there. And then I also used this die, the holly leaves, and I went ahead and punched out 2 of them. I think I'm going to use this one here with the glitter, but there's also this one here on plain green, so you can kind of get an idea of how it looks. But I love the way it looks on the glitter, and I think it goes really good with the glittery wreath. And I picked the one with holly because wreaths are generally made with, you know, leaves and holly and that sort of thing. So I thought it would go really well. I have this piece of paper. This is from the Paper Studio cardstock. It was on clearance at Hobby Lobby maybe a year ago. Probably about a year ago. I went with my BFF Valerie, and this is the first time I've used this paper pad. I thought this one particular piece would go really well, and then it takes care of the sentiment as well. And I will line it up like that. So I will go ahead and just adhere this paper down to the back of the card, or the front of the card base. And this paper has almost a linen feel to it. It has a texture. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the texture of this paper. So there we have that. So pretty. And then this won't be covering it up completely. You'll still be able to see a lot of the words. And I think that's going to look really good. So I will go ahead and I'll do the same thing with this. Use some of these glue dots. All right, so the back of that now has adhesive on it. And I'm just going to place it right there. And again, I'm not raising it up because it already has a lot of dimension. And then this I will put on the bottom like that as a border, and I'm just going to run my tape runner on it. I'm going to run it towards the end of this one a little bit more. There we go. And then I will just trim the excess off the side. I ordered some Teflon scissors. I'm excited for them to come. This way my good scissors won't get gummed up when I cut things that have adhesive on them. And then I went through this little package and I found this Santa Claus, and I thought he would be perfect down at the bottom to kind of decorate that. So I'm also going to use one of these glue dots and adhere him to the card. And then, of course, in true Crafteria fashion, I'm going to use some bling to add some holly berries to the garland. There we go. I'm just pushing those on really well. There, that is that. That card is done. I love it. I think it came out great. And it was super easy. I was able to use several of the embellishments, and that is fantastic. And then this one here is a recycled Christmas card. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoy these projects that I made using the products from BeeBeeCraft. Please do check out their website. The link will be below, as well as my coupon code to get $5 off of your order of $40 or more. And then also, like I said, right now, as of the time this video is filmed, they do have free shipping on $25. Links to all of these supplies will be in the description box below. Please do let me know which card you like best. Leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like this type of video. And then also, if you do go to the website, please leave a comment below and let me know what products you found that you really like from BeeBeeCraft. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.